Alfa Romeo Giulia 2018 4-door. Let me show you guys what it looks like before. Cat up there on the manifold, resonator right there, then pipe continues. Then we took this whole heat shield off with 15 million screws to expose the muffler. So that's what the muffler looks like right there, as you guys can see. So we're gonna do a muffler delete on it. And that's it. So stay tuned, guys. It's got tips built into the bumper. We don't have to worry about it. So stay tuned, guys. It's the Q2 Giulia, whatever that means. Anyways, stay tuned. All right, guys, this is what it sounds like before. Still got all the tools down there. So you guys can see it's very, very quiet. Give it gas. It is turbo. Again. Here's sound decibels. Right at 78. Again. Check it out, guys. The power button is on the steering wheel. If you guys didn't know that, that's pretty cool. It's got all these. It's got the little BMW shift knob. So it's pretty cool. Something different. There you go. Alfa Romeo. So there's that beautiful muffler we cut off, the Giulia. Alfa Romeo. You see it? Center in, dual outlet. Here it is, what it looks like now. Let me show you guys what we've done to it. Everything up here is still factory. Converter, flex pipe, resonators factory, pipe. And then we cut the muffler off and put a T-pipe, Y-pipe custom made. My guy put all the covering in before I got to it. We got busy, but it's in there. All nice and straight piped. I don't know if you guys can see it. I don't think you can see it, but let me see if I can get a flashlight. So as you guys can see, there it is. There's a sexy Y on each side. But we cut all that off and put a Y pipe in its place. All right? And it goes out on each side, right there and right there. Okay? Stay tuned. There we go. Much better. Now it's breathing. Now you can hear it. Yeah, that sounds phenomenal. Sound decibels? Go ahead. Now you can hear it. Say about 98, 99. That sounds phenomenal. I like it. It's clean. There we go. Go ahead and back it out. Out here, guys. I'll let you guys hear on the inside. Muffler delete on an Alfa Romeo Giulia. Had a Y pipe on it. We put a T pipe instead of the muffler. That gnarl. I like it. Enjoy, guys.
3 days later.
All right, guys. So this is round 2 on the 2019 Alfa Romeo. 2019 Alfa Romeo Giulia. He brought it back. He said, it's not loud enough. We did a muffler delete earlier. And now it's back for a resonator delete. As you guys can see right there, we cut the resonator off. Still got the factory downpipe and everything. He's going to do that himself next. Still got catted downpipe. But we did a resonator delete right there. And then the muffler delete, which if you see in the earlier video, was all covered under this. We had a custom Y pipe done and everything for it, the T pipe, because it's a big muffler that comes on those. But there it is. Everything else stayed the same. There's the resonator that was on it right there that we took off. Hopefully it'll have a lot more barbell now to it. So stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. And like always, like, comment, hit that subscribe. All right, guys. So now it's fully straight pipe. Stay tuned. We're about to let you hear it. Still got a nice idle to it. And the turbo a little bit. Give it gas. It's different, huh? You like it? He's happy. Big difference. It's got a rev limiter on it. He's gonna chip it next and do a downpipe. So it's gonna become crazy loud. I like it. Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. Under 100. There is a rev limiter on it, guys, so we can't really rev it high. Rev it hard. That's the most we can rev it. But it's better than nothing. So it has a DNA feature. Now we're going to put it on D. So this is like sport mode in Italian, I guess. It's the D. Yeah, it sounds better with the D on.
Pause.
Let's see if the sound decibels got up louder. Again, just rev it. All the way down. Gotta get that rev limiter off. All right, go ahead and back it out. So it's fully straight pipe, Alfa Romeo Giulia. Took the back box out, or muffler they call it. In Europe they call the muffler a box.
Pause again.
It's fully straight pipe. Go ahead. Yeah. Put it on A. Let's see if we see a difference. Because he says first through third gear. Yeah, there's no burbles. You're right. Okay. Let you guys hear on the inside. Here we go. Alfa Romeo Giulia 2.0 turbo, 280 horsepower. If you guys didn't know, now you know. Snarl. That sounds good. That's fast, man. Here he comes. That sounds good. I like it.